Hello again people, this is part 3 and this is something really interesting. I found an article online from AM Audio or EE Audio, something like this. It's a German company or service info, anyway, something related. Okay, but let me show you. So what's the story? They found out about this problem and the way they fix it, it was exactly what I was thinking about. New potentiometers turn with 180 degrees, but the problem is that the notch, or in fact this little guy here, this one here, which fixed mechanically in a place, have to be turned the other side. How can we do that? I can open the potentiometer and turn the whole device the other side, and then instead of this position the potentiometer will be like that, but with the notch up here. The point is that we have to get the terminals up and then to use wires. Exactly what I'm gonna do today, because it's looking like the best solution and I really don't want to have any more surprises. Okay people, so first let's try to change this notch from left to the right, and then we can turn the potentiometer upside down. I need a screwdriver, a scissor. Let's try to open these things. Oh, let's see. Effortless, I may say. Oh, like this. Can we do that? Oh no, I can't, because you see this one, it's assured mechanically in place. The front panel, the axle, and turn it around. Okay, in this situation we're gonna have another approach. Okay, this one goes back in place. No harm to the potentiometer thought. Okay, yes, no harm. All right, so I have to do something else, and I'm gonna put a hole into the front panel. In fact, I was thinking about that from the, you see, now I may say it's pretty solid, but I still don't trust this thing. I'm gonna take out the probably I have to take out the board again. Just wonder if I can do that without taking okay, let's try. I need to take out those 3 screws. To dismantle those potentiometers without taking the whole board out. I think I can. But first I need to take the screws out of the way. Okay, this is free. Okay, number 1, it's out. Number 2, it's out. There we go. I'm really happy I could manage to do that without taking out the whole ensemble here. Now I have to, what we can do with this guy. Very simple. Let me take this out, so then we can work better and easier. I'm gonna put a hole into the other side, exactly into the other side. How can we have a, okay, and that's the repair there, and a little bit higher there somewhere. Okay, let's start with a small dent. That's the guiding hole, may I say. Yeah, that will be the new positioning here. Beautiful, isn't that? That's the single solution, and I swear there will be no more problems, no more troubles, and as long as some guys from a German company find out this problem, that means it's a problem. And this is only for S900 and S1200 models of the Dynacord amplifiers. There you go. Nothing else to do but to tie the wires. Okay, and the other one, what is the other one? Number 1, it's ground, so let's not forget we have to put these wires 180 degrees. This is ground. Let's prime the wires first, dip them in flux, soldering that. Perfect. Okay, we are very good. Let me have some white and green for signal and cursor. Like this. Some more soldering, and this is for signal. You see, I'm not lazy, but this guy, plastic itself, you see, is just running away from the hot, and I don't want to stress it. Okay, and this is the green, it's cursor, like this. Maybe I need some more soldering. Now, you see, I didn't bother to take out the whole board, so we can check the connection. Good. Now let me see the schematic. Short or something. We should have 47. Yeah, that's fine. 48. Perfect. We are good. Let's put this back together. Okay. This is back. Now let's put this into position. Front screws, and nothing left to do but to potentiometer new connections here. And I'll start with the ground. Let's not forget that we have to do everything 180 degrees. So the ground, instead of being to the left, it will be on the right side of the potentiometer. Okay guys, this was part 3. This mod here, it's a great improvement, because now that gives you peace of mind. You can kick this amplifier, you can smash it, you can, I don't know, abuse it anyway. So even if the potentiometer will fall, will break or something, it's so easy. Just take them out from the metal plate, do the connection, and you are back in business. You know, it's hard to find this kind of potentiometer with the notch here on the, okay, so that was the original position, I may say. The notch, you see, it's on the left here. Turn it 190 degrees and the notch goes the other side. It's hard to find this kind of potentiometers, but with a hole the other side, opposite side of the main hole, let's call it, you can do the changing very. Okay guys, I hope it's useful, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to push the like button. I'm waiting your comments, I need your feedback. I don't bother if you criticize, oh, of course not, it's a step forward, so write them down. It will help me also and help the channel to go on. Thanks to my sponsors, Chuck, Radu and Vlad from Amphia Record. Part number 4, it's on the way. It will be about tweaking the bias and limiter and all those other stuffs related with the electronical things here. Thanks for now, see you soon, and don't forget, have fun. Bye!